Kristine at Prairie Lakes Therapy Services, and this is your Talkable Tip. People who would benefit from the therapy pool would be some of your post-operative pain patients. So let's say you've had a total knee or a total hip, having some difficulty with your range of motion or maybe your gait. Walking on land, it's just going to be easier for you to walk in the pool. Balance patients, it's just the water will help you stand up easier, so the balance will be beneficial for you. Somebody with low back pain, some land exercises, patients aren't able to tolerate land therapy, so getting them in the pool and taking weight off of their back is beneficial also.
And actually every patient we look at individual, and we look at what their needs are, and then we determine if the pool would be beneficial for them. So if they struggle on land, more than likely pool would be a good bet.